What are characteristics of accounting information? I am going to discuss the characteristics of accounting information. So stay with me to the last of this most important topic. Accounting information must be accurate, reliable, relevant, understandable, and comparable. Let's discuss each characteristic in detail. So first one is accurate. Accurate means that the accounting information should be correct, error-free, and based on actual facts. Every transaction must be recorded with the correct amount, date, and account. Why it is important? Because it prevents mistakes in financial statements, helps management make the right decisions, builds confidence among investors and lenders. Example, a company purchases office furniture for $5,000. So the correct entry will furniture account debit with $5,000, cash account or bank account credit with $5,000. Now come to the second characteristic. Reliable. Reliable means that the accounting information should be trustworthy and supported by evidence such as invoices, receipts, contracts, bank statements, or purchase orders. Why it is important? Because users can trust the financial statements. Auditors can verify transactions. Reduces the risk of fraud. Example, if a company buys materials worth $20,000, so there should be supplier invoice, purchase order, PO, goods receipt note, GRN, payment proof. Because these documents exist, the accounting record is reliable. Now come to the third one, that is relevant. Relevant means that the accounting information should be useful and related to the decisions that users need to make. Why it is important? Because it helps managers plan for the future, assists investors in deciding whether to invest, helps banks decide whether to approve a loan. Example, a manager wants to know this month's sales to prepare next month's budget. Providing last year's sales only may not be as relevant as current sales information. Now come to the fourth characteristic, that is understandable. So, understandable means that the accounting information should be clear, simple, and easy to understand for users who have basic accounting knowledge. Why it is important? Because it makes financial reports easier to interpret. It reduces confusion. It improves communication between accountants and users. Example, instead of using difficult technical terms, financial statements should clearly show sales, expenses, profit, assets, liabilities. A reader should easily understand the company's financial position. Now come to the fifth characteristic, that is comparable. So comparable means that the accounting information should allow users to compare financial performance over different years or with other companies. Why it is important? Because it helps measure business growth. It assists investors in comparing companies. It supports better business decisions. Stay tuned to my channel and follow me for more videos about accounting and SAP.